this is where the minor refugees are living, basically. And so they have the view of this touristy town all the time. So those two worlds, the shadow world and the kind of tourist world, they're like intermingled, and at the same time they're kind of friction. There's friction all the time. And we were kind of wanted to explore, could we do that? Could we kind of make a translation into an interface, or how to use this kind of metaphor within the interactive tale? So 1 minute left. Okay, so this is kind of, so we wanted to mix this kind of concept into like the interactive of following. So you have the film, and then what happens to the characters, right? So there is more material after the film has been seen, but still the interactive needs to be independent on itself as well. So you can follow the different characters, but what is the starting point as a viewer? Do you want to dive into the character directly, or do you need to make this twist to become aware of this like this kind of metaphor, like this kind of the kind of touristy world versus like the world which is also our world, but how can we do that? So we kind of looked at different ways of making that twist visible before you actually would go choose one of the characters and follow them along their travel. I think that's basically what we did.
Thank you.